Many big security companies, and they have requested India to ban TikTok because they were using your information. They are selling your information. They are hacking inside your phone, hacking inside your account. Hi, my name is Ribu Saurabh Banerjee, and as you know, India has banned 59 Chinese apps, which includes TikTok, because it was posing a very big security threats. TikTok and a few other apps are accused that they were a big threat to national security because they were leaking information, personal information about the users to other Chinese servers. It's been said that they were using things like geo-tracking, face recognition to access the users' information, all the personal information, and they were directly selling it or transferring them to different servers around the world outside India, and maximum of those servers were located in China. So this was posing a very big threat, and this decision was made by the Indian government to ban TikTok. So the first thing we need, because this is not a matter of like Chinese apps, TikTok or YouTube or something like that, this is a matter of security, because nowadays we use all the information inside our phone, and what if someone hacks inside it? So that is exactly what happened, and that is the main reason TikTok was banned with the other 58 Chinese apps. So first thing you want to do is go and delete your TikTok account from your phone. Just delete it. This is not a matter of YouTube versus TikTok or something like that. This is a matter of security. They are accessing all your personal information which is inside your phone. Nowadays you have your banking information, everything there. It's been proved, it's been pointed. Many big security companies, and they have requested India to ban TikTok because they were using your information. They are selling your information. They are hacking inside your phone, hacking inside your account. We use Google account to log into TikTok. We use Google, Facebook and all those accounts. Everything is linked with TikTok. Some of you have opened TikTok account using Google account. Some of you have opened TikTok account using your phone number, your email ID, using your Facebook ID. So all the information there are vulnerable. Everything got hacked. This is not an easy step. This was a very big step. This is why I'm talking about TikTok, because TikTok was mainly accused, the app TikTok was mainly accused of selling those information with some of the other apps, but all the Chinese apps are banned, 59 of them. In Google, it is clearly saying the Indian government on Monday evening said it was banning 59 apps developed by Chinese firms over concern that these apps were engaging in activities that threatened national security and defense of India. The 59 of those apps comprises of TikTok, ShareIt, Kawaii, UC browsers, Vigo Video, Hello, Likee, 59 apps which are banned right now. New Delhi said that many complaints about various sources, including several reports about misuse of some mobile apps available on Android and iOS platforms for stealing and transmitting user data in an unauthorized manner to servers which have located outside India, which have locations outside India. Let's see what the Economics Times have to say. The government has banned 59 Chinese mobile applications, including top media performers such as TikTok, Hello and WeChat. The Economic Times is stating the government said the applications are engaged in activities prejudicial to the sovereignty and integrity of India, defense of India, security of the states and public order. Said that the ban has been imposed under Section 69A of the Information Technology Act, read with the relevant provisions of the information technology. It is said that the government also cited complaints about data on Indian users being transferred abroad without authorization. Let's see what the Indian Express had to say. The Indian Express is stating the government of India on Monday announced the ban of 59 Chinese apps in the country. A day later, on one of the most popular short video applications, TikTok has been taken down from Apple App Store and also Google Play Store. For users who have the TikTok app downloaded can still use the app and post videos, but officially the platform is now banned. The people who have already installed and using TikTok can access TikTok, but if you go to Play Store or App Store, the app is removed. You cannot install the app right now from Play Store or App Store. If you search for TikTok, you can find out that the app is removed. But if I go to Play Store right now, let's open Play Store. I'm right now opening Play Store and I'm searching for TikTok. As you can see, this is the Play Store opened. I've searched for TikTok. There you can see it has been removed. There are some other backing apps, some other small apps which are there, but the TikTok app has been removed. Video downloader, TikTok video downloader, TikTok Boost, video downloader, TikTune, all these supporting small apps are there, but the main TikTok app has been removed from Play Store and App Store. Let's go back to Indian Express, what the Indian Express is saying. TikTok had nearly 119 million active users in India and was among the top 10 apps on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. The app cannot be downloaded anymore. Meanwhile, TikTok has responded the move and said that TikTok has been invited to meet with concerned government stakeholders for an opportunity to respond and submit clarification. So this is an update where TikTok issued after this. Further stating this is not the first time the app is banned in India. This is not me, this is the Indian Express saying. Previously, TikTok app was blocked for promoting pornographic content and over privacy concerns because it was relisted on Play Store and App Store. In a few days, the government is yet to reveal as how it planned to execute the ban in time. We have been seeing videos of child abuse, pornographic content. There was no ban, no age restrictions. Anyone can access the app, whether it is a 5-year-old child or 50-year-old person, and they were showing random all the cringe content. There was no filters available to which content to show to which age groups. So if a 5-year-old child like opens a TikTok app on, or 5 or 10-year-old boy or a girl open the TikTok app in father's or mother or some sister or brother's mobile phone, what they are seeing like pornography, abusing, violent content. So this is what it was portraying. This is not only the threat and which TikTok was posing was not only to the cyber security but also to our culture and to our morals. So this was a very good decision. I 100% support this decision, and right now I am going to uninstall the TikTok app in my phone. I am not a TikTok user, not a wide TikTok user. Have been posted few of my small YouTube clips to TikTok because some of my friends are in TikTok. They are like good creators in TikTok. There are many of my friends who are in TikTok. They produce good content, but TikTok never promotes good content. You can see if you open TikTok like all the 5 million, 6 million views, followers to the people, to the videos who are producing all types of violent and cringe content which doesn't have any value, any knowledge to the viewer who is watching. So I 100% support this thing. I am going to delete this app from my phone. Another thing, delete all the videos you have posted on TikTok. Remove all the links, the Instagram links, YouTube links from your TikTok profile, then delete the app.